we've come a long way. Discussion, you remember, from 21st March, we had a meeting. On 27th March, we had a meeting. And the latest meeting that we had was yesterday, where we had candid discussions, and we had largely agreed on almost all the issues except one. All the issues, in fact, the issues that were concerning the counties were cleared 100%. The issues that concerned national government were all cleared except one, the issue of payment of interns.
In negotiations, people cannot get everything they are looking for. And as a government, we've really bent backwards. We've made a lot of concessions. Out of 18 issues, we have got one issue. Surely, under whatever examination, that's an A, if not an A+. It's an A+. It's 96%.
We are almost at the tail end of this process, so we're waiting for the affirmation. But I want also to confirm that last week, Wednesday, I did appear before the Senate and the National Assembly, and the question of Linda Mama came up, the claims that have been outstanding. I would like to confirm that on Friday, the Ministry of Health did receive 4.3 billion from National Treasury, and starting today, we have started paying of claims that have already been reconciled and verified. So from today, facilities that had provided services, including Linda Mama, should start receiving their claims from NHIF.
All matters that the unions were asking that have to do with county governments have all been agreed and resolved and initialed, and they are just going through their process of ratifying the same with their membership. And once they are done, we were expecting that they will be done by 2. Unfortunately, the meeting seems to be taking long.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu nĩ yũrĩtie andũ arĩa marakoragwo magĩikara nyũmba-inĩ